Hi you guys, welcome back to my video. Today I have a special video to share with you guys. I ordered some plants from BWH, which is Bros with Hose Plant Co. And I'm gonna open it up with you guys, and I've already taken my address off the label, so let's get started. So I already took the label off and we're gonna get into this. This is all I have to open the box. So in this order, I should have 5 plants, I believe. And I was able to get like a 15% off, and I got free shipping as well. So I thought it was a great deal. They had the packing invoice on top. So I'm not gonna tell you the plants that I got. I'll show you as I'm opening them. And they sent me this little sticker. I'll probably put it on one of the pots. There's a lot of packing peanuts here. I'm going to try to leave them in the box. It's cute. They got a little stamp for their packaging. It's got rubber band. I'm going to try to save all this packaging for the plants that I mail out. Oh, the first plant is one of the ones that I was really excited about ordering and getting. And it's a Hoya. Oh gosh, I forget what the Hoya is called, but I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. And it looks like they have some sphagnum moss on the top. The leaves feel good. It's really pretty. It kind of resembles the Hoya pubicalis splash. I like splashy Hoyas, so that's why I picked this one up. It's a really nice size, you guys. So I'm really excited about that one. That's the first plant. Looks like this tendril is dying back a little bit here, so I'll have to cut that tip off. And there's only one leaf with damage, which I don't think it happened during shipping. I think it was before shipping, because there's no leaves in here, loose leaves. So, but yeah, I think that's a 4-inch pot, I believe. Super cute. The leaves. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this one too, you guys. Now, this one, I know a lot of people have found it at their like grocery stores, or their, I guess, grocery stores that we don't have around here in Jersey. So I decided to bite the bullet and order it. So cute. I'm excited. This one is the, hold on, all this crinkling. It's the Ficus Shiveriana. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll put it on the screen again. I guess they put moss on top of all of their plants to keep the soil moist, but not like overly moist. She's super cute. I thought she was gonna be like more leaves or bigger leaves, but she's so cute. I love that variegation. I have 3 other ficus trees that I really like. And I really wanted to have this one. I like the variegation on the leaves. It's so pretty. So yeah, that's plant number 2. I think that was a 4-inch pot as well. Oh, I'm so excited about this one too. This is another genus that I really like. I love the way they pack these plants. They did a really good job. And I'm pretty sure they came in quick. I think I ordered last Friday and it shipped on Monday, and today is Wednesday. So I think that's pretty fast. And I'm in Jersey, and I believe they're based in Florida. So this is the alocasia. She's looking beautiful. This looks like a newer leaf. It's very shiny and a little bit more limp than the others. Again, with moss on top. I love her, you guys. She has so many leaves. I think there's more than one plant in this pot as well. Ooh, and she's got some baby leaves coming on the bottom. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. They're so cute. So yeah, I love alocasias as well. I have about 4 different alocasias, and that'll be my 5th one. So she's an Aglaonema Maria. Take this plastic off so you can see her better. I think they shipped this one a little drier than normal than the rest. The moss is almost dry on top, but it's still moist. But look at how beautiful and big she is, you guys. Oh my god, those leaves are gorgeous. There's a couple markings on some of the leaves, but nothing that I'm concerned about. She is beautiful. I'm so excited. It's only like these leaves. You probably can't even tell. There's a little marking there, a little marking there, like brown tips. Oh my god, she's got new leaves coming in. She is going to be a beautiful addition to my plants. Maybe in here. I'll probably quarantine her first though, and give her a nice wipe down. I'm so excited about this plant too, you guys. And I saved the best one for last, you guys. This was definitely a treat for me. I've been wanting this plant for a very long time. I know that some people are able to find it around them. I haven't been able to find it at this price around here in Jersey. Yeah, and so I bit the bullet and bought one. Let's see if you can guess which one it is. Go ahead and guess down in the comments and let me know what you think it is. I'm kind of nervous opening her up. Can you guys see what she is? Oh my god, I'm so excited! I got a Monstera Thai constellation, you guys. Look at that leaf. It's so pretty. I can't wait to grow her big with fenestrations and everything and more variegation, hopefully. Her stem doesn't look highly variegated. I really don't see any variegation on the stem, so hopefully she'll continue to give me variegation. Every single one of these leaves has variegation. She is beautiful. She has 2, 4, 5, and 1 new leaf coming on the way, you guys. I love her. So this is the Monstera Thai constellation. This leaf is a little damaged here. It's like ripped right there. Hopefully she'll be okay. And she's beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me on opening these plants from Bros with Hose. I'm in love with all of them, you guys. I can't wait to grow this one really big, as well as my Shilveriana, my Ficus, and my Alocasia, the Hoya as well. I'm so excited. That's a new Hoya. So with that said, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Yeah, if you have any care tips about any of these plants, please let me know down in the comments below. What is your favorite plant that I got today that you like or that you have or you would like to have? Let me know. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.